Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Glitters World, and my name is Chumki. So I'm back with another Nykaa haul. I have all my products here, and I don't have much of cosmetic because I did not order much of cosmetic for the obvious reasons lockdown, and I'm really not using any of it. So gradually I'm pampering my skin more. So just wanted to share this quick video. I'm not gonna talk on prices much because I don't remember. Instead, if I will write it on the screen with checking the site, and let's just start. So I'm gonna show you these three nail paints first. It's running in good sale, like 76 rupees or something. This is a lilac kind of color. It does have a little bit of shimmer. This is also bronze shimmer, and this is a matte which I have applied, like not like matte but like a glossy finish. But yeah, was the color. This product was inexpensive, so thought of buying. Next is I do have the K Beauty blue liner, which I have applied on today, and this is a great color, like sleek, and it dries super quick. So let me just show you one stroke. I mean, it's really kind of navy blue color, which is very rare. I do have blue color liners in other brands like Revlon, but this is really nice blue. You do have other color option also. This was also for $5.99 or something, but again in discount I've got in 520 or something. So yeah, this was one of the makeup product. I don't have any more makeup product. It's all about skin. So first I'm gonna start with the Shehnaz Hussain product. Like, I am obsessed with this products now. So this is the first product I started using. It is a Shah Glow Plus intensive moisturizer for dry and dehydrated skin. So my skin is very dry, even if it's summer, so I wanted to give something extra, and this is the magical product. If you have any skin problem, it reduces that also. It is a bit heavier side. If you have oily skin, you can still use it because the product is really magical. It adds a glow to your skin. So yeah, it was really worth buying since I was so obsessed with that one product. So I thought of buying a night product also. So this was Shehnaz Hussain Himalaya Herb Snow Night Cream Plus. This is the product, and again this is also smells good. Not really strong smell. It will not bother your nose. And this is the product. I will show you the product slightly. So that was again something 900, but I got it in 700 something in discount. So these were the two products I started using, and I was really happy with the result these two products have given. So I was really impressed. So this was the product. Again, it is a bit greasier side. Any night cream you buy, it will be a bit heavy because it adds a lot of moisturizer to skin and hydrates your skin, and it adds a little bit of shine also to your skin. So I was so impressed with these two products. So thought of buying some more face mask because I really like the face packs and all. So this is a recently delivered because I have not ordered at one shot, and in lockdown I didn't wanted to order at one shot. So this is one Shehnaz Hussain Oxygen Plus. This is skin beautifying mask. This comes with little what do you say, that blue color bubbles inside it, like, and it is a bit weird. Like, you see this, like the scrub beads. It's not scrubber, so it just pops out, and it's slimy in consistency. So this is how it is, and you have to keep it 15 minutes and wash it off, massage it, and it instantly like adds a glow. This was also something 645 or something, and I did not get any discount on this when when I purchased from Nykaa. Yeah, this was for 520, so I didn't get any discount. Coming to the next Shehnaz Hussain Honey Health Mask. So this is a huge tub, and again this was 645 and I didn't get any discount, but it's okay. I wanted to buy really, and this is how it is. Again, there's no strong fragrance any of the product. This is a bit watery in color, like you see. Yeah, it smells like sandalwood, and yeah, it's like runny, watery consistency. You need it very less. Just apply with your fingers, and yeah, and then you can leave it for 15-20 minutes, and then you just scrub with raw milk. Just scrub it off and then wash it off with water. That's what it is written in the pack. So I did that and I am really impressed with these products. So honestly, if any of you wanted to buy Shehnaaz Hussain product, it doesn't need any introduction and it is really certified product. So I really love Shehnaaz products. I have never used such expensive products. Like, I feel like it's, you're too much of doing skin, because my skin doesn't have much problem, so I didn't wanted to invest much. But I was, because it's summer now, I really wanted to have a really good mask for like skin, so I get it for myself and I really loved it. So next, coming to this product, which is Body Shop, which one is Vitamin E Body Shop a cream cleanser. This is like a cleansing milk, nothing very specific, and again it was I think for $7.95, but I got it in discount in Nykaa. And this one I've taken tea tree skin clarifying facial wash, and this was for mostly for pimple and all, and this was for $6.95. Again I got it in some discount on 500 something. So this was a huge bottle, 250 ml. It will last you really long and you need very less. So nothing very specific about these product. Like, it was okay product, it was good product, it didn't give me any breakout and all, so I was okay with this. Then next I ordered this Body Shop Vitamin E moisturizer. As I have dry skin, I use a lot of different moisturizer for my skin. So this was the Vitamin E moisturizer and this was the night cream. Now the moisturizer, I mean this is the night cream I've already started using, and it is good. It's not heavy, so if you have combination skin, dry skin, oily skin, you can use it, because this is a very light night cream. And this was for 50 ml and it was $11.95. It was pretty expensive and I have got no discount in this Nykaa. And this was also for 50 ml and this was also moisturizer, and you need very little, like tiny, and it's like this. So smells, again, doesn't have very strong smell which will bother your nose or linger to your nose. So this is how it is. Like, it is very smooth. Any skin type can use Body Shop moisturizer and night cream. If you don't want very oily and heavy creams for your skin, you can go for Body Shop. If you want a little bit of heavy, then I would say that go for Shehnaaz night cream and moisturizer. So initially I purchased Body Shop, and that time it was winter, so I was not really happy with that, so I wanted for a heavy one, so I took the Shehnaaz. But now it's summer, it's pretty oily and sticky, so I've started using this. So I kind of change and use it. Both the products, both the brands suits my skin, so not a problem. So next is this, I haven't used it, is Kaya Youth Hydro Under Eye Recovery Gel. So I have not really used it, I've not even opened it. So yeah, this is how the product, I think it was 175 or something, 299 the MRP, but I got it in 175 or something. And let me just see if how it is. So okay, this is like, oh, this is like a very clear gel, doesn't have really very strong smell, nothing like that. And Kaya is again one of the known brands, so I've not used anything Kaya. Like, this would be the first product. Let me know if you guys want to see any kind of detailed review, I would love to do that. And this is the classic Bertolli brand of olive oil, which I use olive oil most of the time for my hair, so I wanted to stock it up. And by the way, with Nykaa I got this free product, which is a sleeping mask of retinol hyaluronic acid. So you have 4 variants to choose. I picked this one. This one, it's a very small, like this you have, and I've used only one day. Smells good, and the product is also good. It's very slimy kind of thing, but I liked it. Where you don't want to put any night cream, you can just use this, so it was okay. Next is this Nivea shower gel. Not really happy with the smell. It doesn't have like very fruity smell. I didn't like it, so I'm yet to use it. But I wanted to buy a shower gel because it's lockdown and everything is closed, so the only option I have is online. Now this is one of the hyped product wherever I see. It's the L'Oreal Dream Length Restoring Shampoo and the conditioner. So this is that, and I haven't got the L'Oreal The hair cream with this range I have not taken because I already have a lot of hair creams. I didn't wanted to buy that. I wanted to use this shampoo, so I've used twice. And this was a very economical product. I would say it's $2.99 for 396 ml. It's a huge tub, it will last you really long. And this was for $209 for 192.5 ml. So yeah, this was, I think it really helps with your breakage. Smells good, not really strong, and I kind of liked it. So yeah, that's all the product I had in my basket. It's empty now, so I guess we are done with the video. So yes, hope you like this video. This after a long time I'm filming this video, so let me know if you want to have any review of any of the product. I would love to do that. And with that, I end today's video. I'll see you super soon. Bye.